Hi, my name is Sunde Marie. I'm an Atlanta photographer, and this is Get Clicked.
Say it again, say it again. You're saying you're sorry, so say it again. Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back. Say it again, say it again. You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder, my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right. 'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now it's stuck, yeah. 'Cause it's too late, you roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price, yeah. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry, you're gonna be the lonely one. Say it again, say it again. You're saying you feel bad, so say it again. Only you can do that. My heart was open wide. I could feel it breaking deep inside. 'Cause it's too late, your time is up. Damage done and now we're stuck. 'Cause it's too late, you roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price. Oh, I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna.
How did I get started? I was always the kid that would run around with, remember the old school disposable cameras? I always had like 3 or 4 of those on me. So it would either be a band event, a cheerleading event, a vacation, it didn't matter. I'm shooting everything. So when I finally got old enough to go to college and make something out of it, I started taking photography courses. So that kind of, I guess it honed my talent into something rather than just having it as a hobby. So the only problem was, when I was in college, I had a professor, my photography professor had tenure, and then she had a really bad accent, so she really didn't care if you learned it or not. But I'd have to say everything that I kind of learned from there would be trial and error for the most part, but I think it worked out. Okay, so you know how when you get out of college you don't have any money? That part. My parents had always wanted to move to Atlanta. They always loved it here, loved the atmosphere, loved the people. I, of course, wasn't so sold, but when you're broke, you really don't have a choice. So I made the move with them, and I've been here for, I think it'll be 12 years this year. So I'm enjoying it. It was a big adjustment because Atlanta's a lot slower than Illinois and Chicago, but I made it work. My first professional camera, I think it's probably the one that I still own now. It was a Nikon D60, and you know, it came with the kit lens and everything, but I thought that was going to be the camera that I used for the rest of my life, and of course that's never the case. So I've since upgraded a little bit. I have a Nikon 5600 now. And the only reason I chose that one was because it's cute, it's little and compact, but it also does video. So that's something that I would eventually want to get into, but I just need to find the right person to teach me. Only one?
What would that lens be for you?
I don't know what kind of event it is. And I only get one lens. I would say probably my 70 to 200 or my 70 to 300. Either one of those would probably be my go-to.
And why?
Because I love the depth of field in it. I love how you can separate the subject from the background, and it just makes the image pop a little bit better. Of course you can do that on wide angle lenses, and of course you're nifty 50, but I like the 70 or 200 better, because then even you don't have to stand like right up on somebody to get the photo either. So it's kind of like you can be more paparazzi-ish and still get your shot without being so intrusive. The least most favorite part. So you mean like dealing with problem customers that want the world but can't afford it, but they expect you to go above and beyond and they're gonna pay you this much money? I'd have to go with that part. That's probably it. My favorite part is the reactions that you get once people actually see what you've captured. So they think that, you know, you're just standing there snapping photos of whatever, and then when they actually see what you've got, and then they're like, whoa, I didn't know you were doing that. Or I've had a client where I sent her images and she texted me right back. She said, oh my God, Sunday, I'm crying. And for me, it was different because I'd never had that reaction before. And I mean, I was just out there doing my job, but you never know how your work is gonna affect somebody else. Yeah, that young chick that thought she knew everything already? Her. I would probably say two things. One of them is to be a sponge. Any type of help that you can get, any type of direction, any type of mentor that you can get, go for it. Because not only is technology always changing, but your subject matter could always change. The business sometimes fluctuates, so you have to know how to deal with those type of situations. So I would say just be open to having somebody help you. I think the second thing I would say, this shit is not easy. So you gotta be ready. You gotta be ready for the ups and downs, the people that don't pay you on time, the people that don't pay you at all, the people that overpay you, and then you still have to go back and reinvest back into your business. Like, oh my God, I need this other lens for this. Now my entire check is gone. Like, nobody can prepare you for that. But you just be ready, okay? Because period, just be ready. That's it. You can find me on Instagram at Sunde Marie Imagery. That's SUNDEMARIEIMAGERY. You can also find me on Facebook at Sunde Marie Imagery, and you can email me at sundemarieimagery@gmail.com.
What's your dream camera? No budget. Do you
No cap.
walk in the store and just point?
I want that one. A Hasselblad. I would love to have a Hasselblad. However, it costs more than my left arm.